Hey everybody, good morning. Uh, 9:21. Not much to talk about on these time frames, but London high, London low, previous day high. Yesterday to today, we dropped down actually a decent amount. And then we did wick into it. So my thought process is, I want to say these lows right here look pretty juicy, and then I have all these little levels of sell side marked out. I think I'm leaning towards shorts. Only thing is I would like to see an entry, which we haven't really gotten yet. Maybe if price wants to manipulate into this 15 minute, that would be nice, but I'm leaning more towards shorts than longs. Um, yeah, we'll see what happens. So, and we had news today. News really didn't do shit. Core retail sales and retail sales. And then we have FOMC, or Federal Fed Chair Powell is speaking at 1:30. So, we're going to see what happens. I'm just kind of set. I mean, price action is pretty dog shit. If we're just gonna bounce around, because I can kind of see why price action today is gonna be pretty shit until 1 o'clock. If we just kind of end up bouncing around here, I'm gonna get off and go to the gym because I did go to the gym this morning yet. But we're currently trading within this hourly, so I kind of want to see if we end up disrespecting this while keeping intact London low. But honestly, when New York opens, we might just run down. That's probably what's gonna happen. So if I see like, because order flow and all that is, this is fucking. I don't know what happened at 4 o'clock in the morning, but we fucking launched up. How many points is this? This is 1.7%, and we've just been slowly filling it. So we'll see what happens. I'm leaning towards short. Um, I'm leaning towards these lows right now, but we'll see what happens when New York opens, and some time passes, but I'm gonna see you guys a little bit in a little bit because it's 9:25, so we'll see. All right, everybody, quick little video. I took a trade on my combine and I'm still in it. 15-minute fair value gap, a little 1 minute SMT, a CISD. I should have shorted right here, but the only reason I didn't was because ES had 5 and 3 minute fair value gap still holding price, so I kind of wanted to wait to see if that got disrespected, and it did. And I enter off a 30-second fair value gap here. Well, I entered off a 30-second right here. I hesitated, but I saw a sell back down, so I entered. Um, so that's why I'm in the trade on the combine. Now to take it on my Express account, realistically, like if VS didn't have bullish gaps here supporting price higher, I would have entered right here. This is a beautiful spot. I just didn't move down, I didn't move up. If we come back over here, isn't this like a little order block? I could short off that. Did I mark out London? Okay, I did. I wanted to see what London low was on my other thing. Top step is freezing. Hello. But I'm trading a little bit riskier because I do have that free reset. So, like, we're targeting those hourly lows, and we could also target, I don't know, not too much. I don't know how much London lows would be P&L wise, but like the more we go down, the more I don't want to take this because like unless we come back up over here, I would do something like this on my Express account. Are we getting we're gonna get a fair value gap. But I don't really think we're gonna hit it, I'm not gonna lie. I kinda think we just kinda flush down to London. And if we do, we do, you know? I didn't want to risk I didn't want to risk entering unless ES disrespect this gap. I did not. But if, like I said 1,000 times, if ES did not have a fair value gap, I would have entered probably like around here. My stop would have been here, and I would be targeting London low, and I would be break even right now, and I would feel very fucking confident. I might have scaled. It depends how many I would have entered with. I don't know, because we are gonna have a 5 minute, so we'll see what happens. But I'll update you guys on how this trade goes. Um, we're gonna keep it just like this on the combine. I'm not really gonna go break even, but I'm gonna come back in a little bit to see if I take a trade on my Express account. All right, chat. Our first TP was hit. I didn't take anything on the Express account because we did trade into a 3 minute. How I like to trade 3 minutes is a bearish candle out of a 3 minute fair value gap, just because it's like a higher time frame. But if you took this is a negative RR. So I was like, fuck no. Um, and I actually will go break even. Um, so I need 700 more bucks, which probably is not going to happen. Maybe we'll just flush, so we'll put it down there, but I kind of doubt it. Just fucking around, yeah. We'll see what happens. Anyway, like I'm gonna delete all this and probably like fucking delete the tab because who cares? However, we might be kind of getting like a V-shaped recovery out because we did ES take it? ES didn't yet, so um we might get like a little bounce back. And you know how I've pointed out, um I wouldn't take an inverse here. If we come back down, manipulate under this low, kind of re-sweep it, and then get an inverse, that I would take. Um anyway, uh but we might be getting that like fucking shit that I say. Like, okay, so we sell down, sweep out a key level, right? Bam, we sweep it out. We come back up, maybe fill in a 1 minute, re-sweep this low, right? And then go bam. And then you would enter like here and you would target, whatever. That type of shit. Because I've pointed out 1,000 times in the videos. I almost clicked the wrong button. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, chat. Alright. Y'all guys see me? I took whoa. I took a trade on my combine, and we smashed it. Um, didn't take anything on my Express yet. Let me tell you guys the trades of the day. Trade of the day was that short that I took right here, targeting London low, and then we fucked around for a little while. And then an actual trade that I like is right here, and I took this 15-minute fair value gap, right? It's right there. Tapped it here, came up. We had this 1 minute supported price higher, put in a higher high. So our CISD became right here. And then we had this 1 minute get inversed. Bam, same candle. We came back up, and I literally entered like right here. Like I got a really good fucking entry. I was risking up here, and I mean the trade right now is going beautifully, but I did not hold it that long. I just held it for whatever, for 1,500. So that was the second trade that I took on my combine. Both great trades. I don't mind trading on my Express account. I just don't really see anything that I would take. We have a fat SMT. This is that low. On this low on NQ is this low on ES. ES is pretty slow. We're slowly getting there, but it's taking its fucking sweet time. Now, if I'm gonna take a short on my Express accounts, low key, maybe like for NQ to come up within here and get a 5 minute CISD and then like a 1 minute entry. But I might just call it, with not taking a trade. Price action today was kind of nice. It was actually really nice. Like this short right there, and then we kind of just fucked around. Slow move down, consolidate until 130. 130 happened, and then bam. You know. So actually, price action today was pretty nice. I just didn't see. I don't know. I just hesitated, and I paid the price. You know. I hesitated, and I couldn't find. Well, are my nipples showing? I don't want to be showing too much. Now we're chilling. I hesitated. Oh, there's my nipple. We'll blur that out. What was I saying? I hesitated on my first short on my Express accounts, and I hesitated for a good reason, I think, because it's a 50-50 shot on whether or not hesitating there is going to save me. There it didn't work because price went in my favor. What are you going to do? I'm not really seeing anything that I like to take right now. If price wants to create this 15-minute fair value gap on both time frames and we get the same thing up here, then we could look to short. I wouldn't really target anything crazy. I still have to wait 4 minutes. But if you guys don't hear from me again, it just means that I didn't take another trade. Sorry, I just saw something on Twitter. I was like, oh my god. Fuck, guys. Sorry, I got distracted. So yeah. If this 15-minute and shit happens, then I'll look for another trade, but if you guys don't hear from me again, I didn't take anything, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Most likely, because we only have 1 more hour left, and I don't like trading this late. I'm only trading this late to begin with because it's a combine. I don't really care. But shit, guys, we're gonna have 4 Express accounts. These 3 are in kind of a little bit of some deep water. I kind of have to bring the balance back up, but we'll see. So shit, guys, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Wait, I want to check news. Tomorrow we just have 8:30 news. Friday is it's Good Friday, I think, isn't it? Yeah, is the market closed on Good Friday. Yeah, so it's closed. So take Friday off. So the only days left this week is tomorrow. I didn't trade Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Oh, that's kind of bad. I hesitate on good trades, and that's what happens. Anyway, chat, I'm gonna see you guys fucking later. If, like I said 1,000 times, if I don't hear or if you guys don't see me, I didn't take a trade. But if you see me again, I took a fucking trade.